Okay, so now for question 3, and this is one that I can do. With this one, what we want to do is we want to zero in on these values right here. Sorry, that doesn't show up very good. These values right here. And then we're going to go over in the chart to these values right here because they're what you're being asked for, okay? So if you're being asked for a 95% confidence, then that means that there's just 5% in the tail. So this is your 95% right here, which is the 0.95, which refers to 95%. And if you go over here, this is the Z value that you get for 95% confidence interval right there in the Q column. Now, if they wanted you to have 90% confidence, then 90% confidence means, sorry, I circled all these ones here, but it's actually this one for 90% confidence. It means that there's, this is 90%, it means that there's 10% in the tail. And so your Z value for that would be your 1.2816. And for part C, if they want you to have 99% confidence, it would be this one, and that would relate to 2.3263, okay? The only time that that's different, and what they don't say, I don't think, is whether it is a one-tailed or a two-tailed test. And so if it's a two-tailed test, all of these values would be for one-tailed. If it's a two-tailed test, then you would actually split the difference. So if it's, say it's a 90% confidence interval, then you would have 90, you would have like 10% in the tail, so that would be like this with 10% in the tail. If it was a two-tailed test, you would have 5% in both tails, so that it added up to the 10%. So in that case, that could change your Z score, but they didn't state whether it was a one or a two-tailed test, and so I'm not sure exactly what they're looking for there. The numbers, though, that you see here are sort of the standard ones that we use for 95% confidence and 99% confidence. And so I would tend to think that those are the numbers that they're looking for this question, okay?